Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha. You can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for March 2012. For those of you who are watching this video for the first time, I combine astrology along with tarot and a little bit of Greek history thrown in. That's just for fun. It just makes the planets more relatable. So, Sagittarius, let's see what we have for you this month. We have the lovely planet Venus. She's also known as the goddess Aphrodite in the Greek mythology. And we have Jupiter, who's also known as Zeus. He's the king of gods. And they're both conjuncting in Taurus. For you, Sagittarius, they are transiting your sixth house. Now, what that means for you, let's look at your work first. It seems that you have been working very hard and you have been trying to get your work finished off for quite some time. And for some of you, it is been plodding through work. Really, I find no other better word to describe this. But the planets suggest that this month, if you were just to roll up your sleeves, really, and just put in everything that you have to, and do the work to the best of your capability that you can, it will get you rewards that will stay with you for life. Or at least, the rewards that you get for this will really be there for you to see in the near future. So it's a very critical month for you, Sagittarius, as far as work is concerned. Don't shy off from thinking, it is not a part of my job, why should I do it? And oh, this is not required, or oh, this is the 10th phone call I'm making to that person, why should I follow up? This month, just forget about being shy, forget about being embarrassed, forget about worrying as to what is it that people will think about you if you were to make that extra phone call, just asking for help or making that effort. Just remember that it is there for your work and you're doing it for yourself. So just put in all that you have got this month and you will get the rewards for it. On the love bit of it, there has been some amount of communication issue with a certain personal partner or with a spouse, and it could have been bothering you from the beginning of this month. It would have been there on your mind and you must have been thinking, how do I at all deal with it, or do I just leave it the way it is as of now? So between the 2nd and the 17th, on the 2nd you have Mercury, which is getting into the sign, and it will give its all support as far as the communication is concerned. So whenever a planet goes retrograde, it's actually a time to review, and it's a time to rethink at the particular area of your life as to how is it that you can do things better, how it is that you can approach things from a different angle which you may not have been doing now, and that is the reason why that you're facing the little difficulties or challenges that you may be facing as of now. So it's a good time to look at this particular area, since it deals with your day-to-day life, it deals with your work. It's a good time to be looking at it. Another thing what you should be focusing on is that you should really be listening to yourself more, listen to your intuition more this month. Don't worry about how you are being perceived, what is it that people are saying. It seems to be as per the charts, it really seems as if you're worried more about what is it that the world around you is saying and thinking, rather than what is it that you should be doing. So keep that in mind. The tarot message for you is to do a lot of introspection and action it. So don't just stay there sitting and thinking, and then when the realization dawns, you still keep sitting. It's a great month to go out over there and action it and have faith in yourself. You have it in you, Sagittarius. It's a lovely month as far as work is concerned, provided you're just willing to put in all the effort that you have. So have a great month. I'll see you again next month. in April. And thank you so much for watching.